Hi, how are you? I hope you're all doing fine here. You can see here a nice scenery, and we're going to draw a sail in this boat. So, usually we put the white color on the top. Most of the time, the sails have a regular color, so that's the white. And for drawing purpose, we just put a solid color from top to bottom. Okay. Few color we are going to use here for the boat, and as you can see, the top color of the boat is going to be the lighter color, and the main body of the boat has a color black here. Okay, so this is the top portion. All right, now the boat is coming. Let's draw from the left side, and has a special curves like this and another curve. Okay, and we are going to put the color to the border of that curve. Okay, so having the brush inclined and putting the strokes like this one, and let's complete the curve here. Okay, the board is going to be finished. Awesome. Here we're going to take a different color. First, we're going to draw the main frame of the boat below. Okay, and let's put the segment of the wooden platform on top of the boat. So after putting the segment, we're putting it on the top of the sail, just to doing the framework. Then a taller pole just coming up to the boat here. Okay, and other borders of the sail just having nice curve from the top. Awesome. And the rope, you can see the rope here. So that's not fully clearly visible, but it will do the work. And you can see the partial shadow on the water. Okay, so it has a different color, which is just mixed up with the black color here. Awesome. And we're going to put a boatman at the back of the boat. Okay, and you can see the bamboo pole he is holding. Okay, and sitting here at the back. So that's the symbolic presentations. After putting the reflections on the water, the drawing is almost complete. You can see here for the sail, you have a reflection on the water too, and for this driving device, you can see also reflections on the water here, but somehow because of the wave pattern, this is a little bit blurred, so you can just put it little wave pattern for the reflections. Okay, and some wave pattern also, you can see ups and downs in a further village. And there are nice shining sky from the clouds, the nice scenery. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.